It's a twist no algorithm could have predicted. Elon Musk's social platform X is hitting rock bottom, and it's all happening on Android. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back. According to fresh data from App Figures, X's global installs from the Google Play Store crashed 44% year over year as of July 2025. And that's not just a dip, it's a free fall. Not just this, but the overall mobile downloads also dropped 26%. But it's the Android numbers that are making us wonder, because on iOS, it's a completely different story where downloads are up by 15% and the app just had its best week ever. So what's going on? The Android version of X has become famous for its bugs, crashes, and painfully poor performance are some issues users have ranted for months. Now, with frustrations boiling over, it's finally catching up to the platform's growth. To handle this, X's new head of product, Nikita Beer, has stepped in with a bold move of assembling the Android Dream Team to completely rebuild the app and win back the trust of angry users. Beer says, iOS is strong, but restoring Android is our top priority. And it's not just about losing audience, X's revenue is slipping too. July brought in $16.9 million, down from $18.8 million in March. Although it is a bit higher from June's $16.8 million, it's still troubling because fewer installs means fewer paid subscriptions. X now finds itself at a crossroads where iOS is soaring and Android is sinking. The pressure's on to fix the cracks before the whole platform crashes down. What's your say in this situation? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Press the bell icon so you never miss any update.